Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Ford is expanding the fun for Bronco SUV owners. It will be opening up its 5th Bronco Off-Roadeo location near Knoxville, Tennessee in October. Rodeo in this case is spelled R-O-A-D-E-O. The idea is to give customers and enthusiasts hands-on instruction in off-road driving skills. Bronco Consumer Strategy Manager Kelsey Gerken.
What it entails is a full day of off-road instruction using one of our vehicles at one of our now 5 locations that span nationwide. So we're in places New Hampshire, Texas, Moab, Utah, Nevada, which is close to Las Vegas, and our newest location that's just been announced is in Tennessee.
The program is free for Bronco owners. For non-owners, there are half-day adventures that can be purchased. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Perfection. That's the goal of every outdoor chef. How to make each bite, each meal fantastic. The Monument Denali 605 Pro Grill unleashes your creativity with an innovative blade infrared burner system and a ceramic infrared sear burner that will bring sizzle to your everyday dishes and those get-togethers with family and friends. And Monument does it with stainless steel style and features that make grilling more fun and easy. Like lighted knobs that indicate temperature settings, Bluetooth, a glide-out propane tank, dual temperature probes, and a rotisserie. Versatility, you can turn this great griller into a pizza oven or a griddle. And that stainless steel design is built to last. The Denali 605 Pro delivers. And it is just a part of the amazing lineup you'll find at monumentgrills.com.